Eating this for breakfast every morning can help you lose weight faster. There is a new study looking at eating breakfast and weight loss. In the past, some studies suggested that eating breakfast might help promote weight loss, while skipping a morning meal might lead to weight gain. But according to a new review of research trusted sources published in January in BMJ, there is no strong evidence to support the idea that eating breakfast aids weight loss. The authors of the review looked at data from 13 randomized controlled trials conducted over the past 3 decades, mostly in the US and UK. They found that people who ate breakfast tended to consume more calories per day than people who skipped it. On average, breakfast eaters ate 260 more calories in a day, meaning it's unlikely they ate significantly lighter at other meals even though they consume extra calories in the morning. The authors also found that people who ate breakfast tended to weigh slightly more than people who skipped it. On average, breakfast eaters were 0.44 kilograms heavier. Some breakfasts are healthier than others. After reading the new review, some experts have raised concern about the contents of the breakfast that people were given in the clinical trials. When you look at the intervention groups, what they are giving for breakfast is not generally what we would recommend people eat. Liz Windley, a registered dietitian at Ohio State University Wexner Medical Center, told Healthline. For example, participants in several trials were given processed cereals such as Kellogg's rice, crispy ice, or frosted flakes. In one study, they were given white bread and strawberry jam. These foods are high in refined carbohydrates and low in fiber and protein. I could see where this would add weight gain because if you have a really high carbohydrates breakfast, especially without fiber or protein, that make people hungry again sooner. Windley said, it makes your blood pressure go up fast and your body secretes a lot of insulin to pull it back down, and then people get hungry again more quickly, she explained. Sharon Zarabi, a registered dietitian and bariatric program director at Lenox Hill Hospital, agrees. It's not the breakfast, it's what we are eating for breakfast, Zarabi said. Breakfast rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats can help people feel full for longer compared to meals high in refined carbohydrates, she says. That's why it's not enough to count calories, she adds. Instead, Zarabi encourages people to pay attention to the micronutrients contents of their meals and choose food rich in nutrients. Breakfast can help people meet their nutritional needs. Eating breakfast is not a surefire way to lose weight, but it might have other benefits. Windley says it gives people a chance to get some of the essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients they need for optimum health. Skipping breakfast is almost seen as a missed opportunity for getting some of these nutrients that most Americans are not getting enough of, like potassium, calcium, and fiber, she said. If people eat nutrients-rich foods later in the day, then skipping breakfast might not be a problem. But in her experience, many breakfast skippers reach for unhealthy snacks instead. That's one of the reasons why Windley encourages many clients to start their day with breakfast. However, she thinks it's important to take people's individual needs and preferences into account. For years, diet and nutrition experts have said a morning meal is a wise idea. But after a University of Alabama at Birmingham studies showed that overweight breakfast eaters were not any more likely to slim down than those who skipped it, many were left wondering if they should bother. After all, yes, you should eat breakfast, says Susie Weems, PhD, a registered dietitian and professor of family and consumer sciences at Baylor University in Waco, TX. But that doesn't mean you should dig into a stack of pancakes and a plate of bacon. The UAB study didn't look at what people were eating. It didn't look at how many calories they were eating either. You can't have a Twinkies and coffees and expect to slim down or even maintain weight loss. Weems says the food you should matters. That may be why other studies show that breakfast does help with weight loss. In fact, more than 75% of people who lose more than 30 pounds and keep it off eat the morning meal every single day.